Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife review videos. If you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. All right, folks, we have another see it before you can buy it video. This is a new / old release from Finch Knives. This is a knife that they released a couple years back, and it sold out. Now, just in time for the 4th of July and our Independence Day, they give you the Cherry Bomb. So let's open it up and see what we got. Whoops. First thing we have is the Finch warranty card. That's awesome. They stand behind their knives. I definitely appreciate that. They give you a Band-Aid because at times they know I'm a klutz. So hopefully we won't need it. You have your Flipping the Finch sticker. Love these stickers. And this is a really kick-ass sticker. Look at that. The Cherry Bomb. That's awesome. I love the font on that. I love everything about this. This is great. And now, most importantly, the knife. Let's get this out. Let's move the box out of the way. Let's get it out of its bag. Wow. So this is the Cherry Bomb in a sandalwood finish. What I like, it's got the glow shield on it. I always love that with Finch. I'm kind of disappointed with some of the newer knives that don't have it. You've got these beautiful bolsters here. These are a brushed stainless steel. It's a flipper tab deployment. Great jimping on both sides of the flipper. And let's open it. Oh, that detent is really nice. Look at that blade. That is pretty. Wow. Milled titanium clip, frame lock, and hopefully, oh yeah, one hand operation, no problem. Now the blade comes in at 154 cm. The blade length is 2.6 inches, so it's not a giant knife, but handle-wise, it's a full 4-finger. You've got some excellent jimping right here on top. Really great. You could even though there's no finger choil, you can even choke up right there on the edge of the flipper. It's jimped, so I don't think you're going to slip off, and it's an aggressive jimping, so it really holds. Man, that's pretty. So let's compare that size-wise to a couple of other knives I have nearby. This first one is a QSP Penguin, and this one happened to be one that I won from Gareth HB, so check out his channel. I won this in his subscriber giveaway, and this one was modified by Jimmy Crow. All right, so it's a little smaller than the Penguin. Let's compare it to the Benchmade Bug Out. You can see it's smaller than the Bug Out. So you kind of get an idea. It's a little bit of a smaller size, more compact knife. Let's get these out of the way, and let's compare it to one more. And we're going to compare it to the last release from Finch, which was the Widowmaker. Blade-wise, pretty much the same. Slightly shorter handle, but much more girth. Nice hollow grind here. Really, really nice. I'll take that out of the way. Man, weight on this is really great. It's made of heavy-duty materials, so it's not going to be ultra lightweight like a Bug Out, but it comes in at 3.7 ounces. And it's going to be a semi-deep carry because of the titanium clip. It's not going to go all the way down in the pocket, but it's a nice, strong clip. It's going to hold really well. The shield material is a sapphire. It's a glow material, which is great. They designed this in Stillwell, Kansas City. The OEM on these is QSP. So QSP is known for their quality. And the blade is a brushed and stone washed. So you have stone washed up here and brushed down here, which is really attractive. I don't know if that comes across on camera, but it's two different finishes on the blade, which is a nice detail. Where the bolsters start and the wood begins for the handle, you can't feel it. It's absolutely dead level. You feel it right here because of the frame lock, but up here, dead level. Let's check out the centering on this. Oh, that's spot on. That's dead centered. That is fantastic. Just sounds great on deployment. Rock solid. No up and down play, no left or right play. Just really fantastic. So this is just a really great knife, and I'm glad they re-released this because I missed it the first time around, and I just love this. And again, it's the Cherry Bomb. And what I love is minimal branding. You have the Finch right there. It's small. It's not overly done. And on the other side, very small, Cherry Bomb, and then the 154 cm steel marking. But that's the Finch. This comes out on the 20th, on June 20th. So this video will be released before you can get it, but it will drop on June 20th, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you're watching it after that, well, go get it because it's not going to be around quick. So find it at your whatever knife dealer of your choice that carries Finch. But really fantastic knife. Like I said, it feels really nice. I like this a lot. And a little bit different than the Widowmaker. The Widowmaker's a little small in the hand. It's more of a gentleman style knife. Where this is a beefy, like you can get a nice grip on this. I like it. Thoroughly, really, really like this. All right, folks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.